Hey everyone, Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you on Thursday, January 31st, 2019, just before 7:30. And I wanted to give a little weather update for my friends in southern Kentucky about the potential of wintry weather early Friday morning and my thoughts on if that's going to affect school cancellations in the morning. So let's take a look at what's going on. We're going to start off with a look at the current hazards in the area, and you can see Laurel County highlighted in purple. That means a winter weather advisory. We're going to see that winter weather advisory from 4 o'clock Friday morning until 10 o'clock for the potential of a little wintry mix or light snow that could cause some slick roadways. So it's not a long advisory and it's for less than an inch of snow, but things could get interesting on Friday morning. Here's why. Taking a look at the national radar picture, you can see we've got a little system diving in from the northwest. It's a little bit of a clipper system. That's meeting up with some warmer air coming out of the south and a warm front that's actually going to lift into southeastern Kentucky starting tomorrow. Now, as those systems come together, that southern system is going to feed a little moisture to the northern system, and that is what has the chance of bringing us a little bit of that wintry precipitation. Now, a couple of key things to look at. What are temperatures doing right now? What are they going to do in the morning? And how is that going to affect the precipitation that falls? So right now, taking a look at the road sensor at I-75 at the North London exit, our air temperature is in the mid-20s, right around 24 degrees. The pavement temperature is actually around 30, so it's below freezing now at this point. So anything that falls is going to stick to roadways, including major roadways. That's something to keep in mind because temperatures are going to stay steady or fall a little bit through the overnight. Let's take a look at the North American Mesoscale model, and I think it has a pretty decent handle on the precipitation onsetting. We're going to start at midnight tonight, and you can see nothing here in southern Kentucky. But then as we move forward to about 6 a.m., notice rain, freezing rain, and snow, wintry mix, approaching the I-75 corridor, and specifically Laurel County. This precipitation is going to move in. Temperatures at the surface are actually going to be into the 20s, and the air just above the surface is going to be above freezing. We're going to have a little warm nose of air there. What I think that's going to do is allow for some of this precipitation to fall as some freezing rain. Now, the models are really struggling with the low-level cold right now. Like, most of them are running way too warm. In fact, the NAM's way off right now. The HRRR has a much better handle on the temperatures right now, and it's saying for tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, 27 degrees at the London Corbin Airport, with precipitation-wise, a little rain. We know that's not going to work out. If it's 27 at the surface and we've got precip in the area, it's going to be freezing rain if it's falling into that warmer nose. If that warm nose doesn't show up, it could be snow. I think my gut is telling me it's going to be either light snow or freezing rain. Hopefully light snow, because the freezing rain could get a little messy. But anything that falls tomorrow morning is going to stick, and we're going to get precipitation lasting through the early afternoon. It should move out just after lunchtime, and then we actually warm back into the upper 30s by tomorrow afternoon. So how is this going to affect school? I'd say a lot of districts will probably be calling off in the morning. Wait and see how it does. But here in Laurel County, I know it's going to start around 6 in the morning, so it's going to be a close one. I know a lot of my fellow co-workers at the schools have been like, what do you think it's going to do? It's going to be close. I think it's going to be one of those wait and see last minute. If it's snowing or there's freezing rain falling at 6 o'clock, I'd say chances are fourth snow day in a row. So we'll just have to wait and see. But right now, if I was to put a number on it, I'd say probably about a 60 to 70% chance of another day out of school due to wintry weather. So that is a quick update at the weather. If you want more of these style videos, be sure to like this one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to hit that bell for notifications for new videos.